on its 7th year, Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino gathered key players and stakeholders in the event industry for the Cebu Wedding Expo Weddings at the Waterfront last October 21 to 23, 2023. The expo featured booths from different suppliers such as stylists, event organizers, designers, performers, and food and beverage caterers.
First and foremost, we are able to help promote Cebu as a wedding destination. What's new this year is that being the biggest convention facility, so our ballroom, as you notice, we have a new set of carpets which will suit our clients, especially for those mga big social events like debuts, weddings, and the likes. And this year we have more than 50 exhibitors from mobile bar companies who can cater to our clients, our guests, mga weddings. And then we also have mga event stylists for decors during the weddings and a lot more that we can offer.
Well, actually, this is my second year witnessing how creative Cebuanos are, and having a lot of them, all the materials that they are producing are all locals. So I'm very proud of the Cebuanos that are able to come up with a very high, like really international standard.
New concepts and trends for events were also presented to brides and grooms-to-be, such as live caricature and portrait paintings.
So the first step is we take the photo of each guest. And then when we paint them, like 5 to 10 minutes after, they can claim it or after the event. It's really quick. It's very quick.
And then katong finger...
For the interactive painting, so during the reception, the guests would come in and they do a finger paint onto the canvas or the tree of love. So after everything is done, we would include the bride and groom onto the canvas.
Adding splendor to the 3-day exhibit was the fashion show featuring the 50-piece collection of internationally acclaimed Cebuano designer Furne Amato called Immaculate Machinations. The show, attended by notable personalities, showcased a spectacular tapestry of bridal wear redefined through contemporary artistry.